K. Kamaraj, the kingmaker and architect of modern Tamil Nadu. Kumaraswamy Kamaraj, popularly known as K. Kamaraj, was a towering figure in Indian politics and a revered leader in Tamil Nadu. Known for his simplicity, integrity, and visionary leadership, Kamaraj played a crucial role in shaping the socio-political landscape of Tamil Nadu and India. This article delves into his early life, political career, achievements, and enduring legacy. Early life and background. K. Kamaraj was born on July 15, 1903, in Virudunagar, a small town in Tamil Nadu. He hailed from a humble family. His father, Kumaraswamy Nadar, was a merchant, and his mother, Shivakami Ammal, was a homemaker. Tragedy struck early in Kamaraj's life with the death of his father, forcing him to drop out of school and support his family. Despite his limited formal education, Kamaraj was deeply influenced by the nationalist movement and leaders like Mahatma Gandhi. He joined the Indian National Congress at the age of 18 and soon became actively involved in the freedom struggle. Freedom fighter, Kamaraj's dedication to India's independence was unwavering. He participated in several significant movements, including the Non-Cooperation Movement, the Civil Disobedience Movement, and the Quit India Movement. His commitment often led to imprisonment, and he spent several years in jail during the British Raj. Kamaraj's efforts during the freedom struggle earned him the respect and admiration of his peers and the masses. His organizational skills and ability to mobilize people were instrumental in strengthening the Congress Party in Tamil Nadu. Political career. After India gained independence in 1947, Kamaraj's political career took a significant turn. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly of India and later to the Parliament. However, it was his tenure as the Chief Minister of Madras State, now Tamil Nadu, that truly defined his legacy. Chief Minister of Madras State, 1954–1963. Kamaraj served as the Chief Minister of Madras State from 1954 to 1963. His administration is widely regarded as a period of transformative development and social reform. His policies and initiatives laid the foundation for modern Tamil Nadu. Educational reforms. One of Kamaraj's most significant contributions was in the field of education. He launched the Free and Compulsory Education scheme, which aimed to provide free education to children up to the age of 14. He established numerous schools in rural areas and introduced the midday meal scheme to combat malnutrition and encourage school attendance. These measures drastically increased literacy rates and educational accessibility in Tamil Nadu. Industrial and agricultural development. Kamaraj's vision for Tamil Nadu included robust industrial and agricultural growth. He promoted the establishment of various industries, including the Neyveli Lignite Corporation and the Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BHEL. His efforts in improving irrigation infrastructure, such as the construction of dams and canals, significantly boosted agricultural productivity and rural development. Infrastructure and social welfare. Under Kamaraj's leadership, Tamil Nadu witnessed substantial infrastructural development. He focused on building roads, bridges, and electrification of villages. His administration also implemented various social welfare programs aimed at improving healthcare, housing, and sanitation for the underprivileged. Role in national politics. Kamaraj's influence extended beyond Tamil Nadu. In 1963, he resigned from the post of Chief Minister to focus on strengthening the Congress Party at the national level. This move, known as the Kamaraj Plan, involved senior Congress leaders stepping down from ministerial positions to work for the party's rejuvenation. President of the Indian National Congress. Kamaraj served as the President of the Indian National Congress from 1964 to 1967. During his tenure, he played a pivotal role in the selection of two Prime Ministers, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi. His ability to build consensus and his reputation as a kingmaker underscored his influence in national politics. Emergency and later years. Kamaraj was a member of the Congress O, which opposed Indira Gandhi's faction during the split in the Congress Party in 1969. Despite his differences with Indira Gandhi, he remained a respected figure in Indian politics. He continued to advocate for democratic principles and the welfare of the common people until his death on October 2, 1975. Legacy. K. Kamaraj's legacy is multifaceted, encompassing his contributions to education, development, and Indian politics. His emphasis on simplicity, integrity, and public service left an indelible mark on Tamil Nadu and India. Educational impact. Kamarajar's educational reforms transformed the landscape of Tamil Nadu. The establishment of schools and the introduction of the midday meal scheme not only increased literacy rates but also set a precedent for other states in India. Development and welfare. His focus on industrialization, agricultural development, and infrastructure improvement laid the foundation for Tamil Nadu's economic growth. His welfare programs improved the quality of life for countless individuals, especially in rural areas. Political influence. Kamarajar's role as a kingmaker and his contributions to the Congress Party's organizational strength are well recognized. His ability to navigate complex political landscapes and build consensus remains a model for political leadership. Remembering Kamaraj. Kamaraj is fondly remembered as Kalvi Tanthi, father of education, in Tamil Nadu. His birthday, July 15th, is celebrated as Educational Development Day in the state. Numerous institutions, roads, and public spaces are named in his honor, reflecting his enduring impact on society. Conclusion. K. Kamarajar's life and career exemplify the ideals of selfless service, integrity, and visionary leadership. His contributions to education, development, and Indian politics have left an enduring legacy that continues to inspire generations. As a freedom fighter, chief minister, and national leader, Kamarajar's dedication to the welfare of the people and the progress of the nation remains a beacon of inspiration in Indian history.